Hi and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I have a different kind of unboxing for you today. So I had a parcel arrive from Amazon the other day, and it was quite a big box. I wasn't expecting a big box from Amazon, albeit stuff from Amazon because I always order, but you know how they pack. So anyway, I opened it up and it was actually these two items, but they weren't items that I ordered. They were items that were ordered for me from a lovely subscriber called Dieanna. So I am extremely gifted and excited, extremely gifted, extremely spoiled. Yes, extremely spoiled. So I'm very excited to find out what's in these. I have done my best. I've just put them in my craft room out of the way until I could do this video. So excuse me while I just start ripping into things because I want to know. I want to know. Now this does say something about zipper bags. So let's see what, wow. These look to be the same size. Oh, these are posh. Okay, so these are very or similar size to what I already use. And I'm trying to see if I've got some about. Have I got some? I'm trying to think whether I've got them here or not. I think they're in my little cart, but these are loads thicker. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So these are the ones I use at the moment. Okay, these were a few pounds off eBay. You can see, you know, they're still a decent quality. They are a lot better quality when you pull them apart, because I do reuse them, than the ones that you get in kits from AliExpress. However, look, when you push these are loads thicker. You can sort of see it. These are posh. And that gripper is really good. And they will, look, same width. They will still fit in my spare storage. Oh, might have another change up coming on. Diana's giving me work to do, but I'm not objecting. They will probably stand up on their own. So I am sort of holding it on occasion, but basically that bag is sort of standing up on its own, whereas this bag sort of creases in the middle. You see, it's not even me trying to hold it at the bottom. It's not the same quality at all. These, I probably wouldn't need my paper inserts. Go for one less job to do. So thank you ever so much, Diana. There is like 1,000 of these baggies. And yeah, I think I'm going to have to change over the ones that I use in my spare storage and use these. I'll have to do it over time, because when I labelled up with my new stickers, I did do them all. And it did take quite a while. So I can imagine relabeling these taking quite a while too. So I think I may do them bit by bit, but they are really nice. So I'm sure Diana, I know, watches these videos. So if you're able to pop the link for other people to get hold of them, that would be awesome. But these are classed as 2 inches by 3 inches, 4mm, heavy duty plastic reclosable bags. And you can sort of, I mean, I'm putting it on the table there and I'm just sort of holding it by my fingertips. If I try and do the same with mine, it will hold for a bit, but nowhere near as long. They're a lot more bendy. So yeah, posh gripper bags, posh gripper bags. Thank you so much, Diana. And then the other one, this has sparked my interest. I have a plain white box and I want to know what's in it. So, oh, Okay. Okay, box is empty. We have, this is nice. Oh. Ah. We have an easel. So this is like a desktop easel, and this will fit on my little table. This will fit on my table that I diamond paint on. Ooh. And it's got a space for my light pad to sit. Okay, I'm going to have to pause you again. You're going to have to bear with me. I'm going to go get a light pad. Okay, how many pauses and restarts can I do in one video? This is the light pad that I tend to use day to day. It is a wireless charging light pad from Huayan. They have websites in a few different countries, but this is one that you can charge up. And so therefore, if I flip it to the battery power, it comes on. Not that you can see it. Oh, you might be able to see it a bit. That then works as a light pad from the battery that's inside it. So it is quite thick. But, oh, look at that. So it's quite a big light pad compared to many others. But that will be perfect. Oh. Because I use, I mean, you will see I am going to be doing a video on my diamond painting space. I'm sure this will now be featured, but I work on sort of a table that's probably a little bit bigger than this, in front of the TV. It's one that I can fold up and put away. I did purchase a table that will then sort of give you an angle from B&M in the UK. It was only £15. It's great. My daughter uses hers and loves it. However, I found that it couldn't go high enough to help with the neck ache. It would give me the angle, but too low. This is going to be absolutely perfecto at giving me the space I need. What's the last fitting like? Okay, so the last fitting seems to be down. So the last peg is classed as where it goes when it's down. But I've got a few different angles to test out and see which one works best for both being able to diamond paint. Also, let me have a look. Oh, it does. It has some rubber feet on the bottom, which is perfect, because otherwise if I've got a stubborn diamond, I don't want it shooting off the table. But it's like, I don't know if fate stepped in, because I was looking for, I was browsing the internet the other day trying to find some tissue paper. And the tissue paper was to put in the boxes for the giveaways. So I was trying to find somewhere. UK's in lockdown, so it's not as easy to just go and pick some up. And I did look at the works. And my daughter had named a few places. I went looking on the works. They had the new Pinch of None book, and their free delivery was like £30 or something for free delivery. So I was having a nosy in the craft section of it, as you do. And they had an easel like this, a desktop type easel. And I actually put it in my basket. However, then when I looked at the tissue paper, which I needed to add to, of course, that's what I was ordering, and to bump up my order to be free delivery, because I thought, why not treat myself? The tissue paper, they only did an A4 size, which was too small for my giveaway boxes. So I ended up coming away from the website thinking, well, I was just going to test this out. So fate intervened, stopped me buying one, because there was one on its way from Dieanna, and I am so excited. I did keep wondering whether to go back and order it at the time. I kept thinking, I'll see how I go. So this is going to be amazing to diamond paint on. Maybe I could do a whip and chat on it as well. keep an eye out. Maybe a whip and chat will appear on this. Maybe it will give a different angle for you guys. See how it works. See what the painting's like. It looks like it will take a decent size as well. You know, because as I say, my light pad is bigger than a normal one. So I'm sure this will take, it will definitely take a 30 by 40. I've got one here. Sneak peek. This is a special painting that I've already done. I will be doing a show and tell on them all. But that is a 30 by 40 canvas. Now that isn't exactly 30 by 40. It's one of the companies where they measure the full size, not the smaller size. So even if you imagine if you had a bigger one, it's not going to hang over enough to cause some damage. Ah, amazing. So I've got two projects, well not projects. I've got Ease My Neck Ache, and I have some amazing baggies which I've never seen in the UK. Maybe I've just not looked properly. And that will give me a new project to do with my spare diamonds. Maybe you'll see that in dekittings coming up in the future. But thank you so much, Diana. I do feel extremely spoilt. This gift is beyond my expectations, but it will be used, I can imagine, especially this, on a daily basis. So thank you ever so much. Thank you to everybody else for watching, and I will speak to you all again soon.